So today we are unboxing products from saveonshave.com or SOS. Welcome back, friends. It's Ali DZ here. Just wanted to say it's been a fun year, not just trying different products and making product reviews, but also interacting with a lot of you lovely folks who are average customers like yourself and like myself. Also, at the same time, I get a good opportunity to interact with a lot of companies, a lot of people from companies, founders of different organizations that are into shaving products and men's grooming products. So I happen to also have this lovely interaction with a gentleman called Peter Thompson, and Pete's got his own products range. It's an Australian company, and we're going to talk all about it today. So the range of products we're going to talk about are going to be from SOS, which is Save on Shave, and they also go under their other brand, which is basically called Bad Bones. So back in May, I got sent 3 products at the same time from Pete, and I'm really happy that I tried these products because they're really awesome. So the first one was Bad Bones Barbershop shaving gel, and this one's got aloe vera and orange oil on there. Amazing scent to it. So that's number 1. And the next one was their double-edge razor. Now, if you follow my YouTube channel, I had a post with this particular razor after I tried it as well. Beautiful black razor. We'll do more of a detailed review at a later stage, and once I've done it, I'll probably put it in the description box in here or on this side. I don't know which side it comes up, but it's got their beautiful logo on there. It's a mild double-edged razor as well. They give you Astra blades as standard in there. Gives you a great shave. Even if you're new into the double-edge world, that'll work really well. And next, and the most impressive or unique product that I've found so far is their Pegasus shaving system. You could go with their subscription-based shaving system, but all it is in the box, you'll have the Pegasus Razor, and it'll come with a pack of 3 cartridges apart from the one that's in here. So it's all up, it's a set of 4 cartridges and the razor. Now let's have a closer look at this razor, because I bet you've not seen anything like this before. Now, when you first take the cap off, you'll notice that the cap is very vaguely sort of differently designed, but there is some relevance to this, and we'll talk about this very shortly. But let's talk about the razor first. Beautiful design. You can feel the weight, you can feel the heft pretty much straight away as soon as you hold it. And the cartridge is really unique. So in terms of the core structure, it's got a slight pivot to it as well, which is quite comfortable when you shave. So the cartridge, when you look at it, it's got a 6-blade setup. Now, when you look at 6 blades, you might be thinking it's quite an aggressive razor, but reality is it's very intelligently and very differently designed. So you see, after every 2 blades, there's a gap. And not only does that give you a closer shave, but it doesn't feel as aggressive while you're shaving as well. Like most good cartridge razors, the Pegasus also has a good lubrication strip. It's not extremely heavy with its lubrication, but you can feel the right amount of lubrication coming out. A nice gentle rubber guard that helps you sort of stretch the skin before the razor blades run past your skin and get you the shave. But overall, let's weigh this guy as well. Weighs 70 grams, sometimes comes up as 71 as well, but let's just go with 70 for now. And when you compare that to something like the Gillette Fusion, that's just 49 grams. So that's just to give you an idea about how heavy the handle would feel and how nice the heft feels in the hands as well with the Pegasus razor. Changing the head of the cartridge is super easy as well. You pretty much push the button in here on top, and that releases the cartridge, and then you pretty much push it into the new body, and that's it. That's your new cartridge. Now, as you saw, that cap just broke off the badge of the rest of the other cartridges in there. It's a nice intelligent design as well, so if you want to keep them together, you can pretty much just push them in and that just stays in there. And if you want to release them, you just take them off one by one. So that's the cartridge system. I've been giving this guy a good test run since end of May now, and I have my thoughts on it, and I'll talk about it while I'm doing my shave review with this. Is it a good product? Yes, it is a good product, I'll tell you that, but let's get more into a detailed shave review while we're doing the shave review. Now, along with that, Pete recently sent me a few more products, and I want to talk about those products as well. So I have their Bad Bones Barbershop pre-shave oil, we have the aloe vera aftershave balm, and then we've got the sandalwood version of their soap as well as their badger brush. So this is the pre-shave oil, which has a sandalwood scent to it. Wow, smells really amazing, and I think that scent, if it's on me, it's probably going to stay for the next 5-6 hours at least. And then we've got the soap. So let's look at the soap, guys. Nice and beautiful packaging in there with the box that they come with. Oh wow, so smells exactly the same as the pre-shave oil. So they've got the similar sort of theme going around with the pre-shave as well as the soap, which is always fantastic. I love that. And then let's have a look at their brush as well. This is a badger brush. They also have a synthetic brush on their website, but look at this, guys. Beautiful design. It feels nice and heavy as well, and the bristles are ultra soft. Amazing brush. And finally, we have the aloe vera aftershave balm. Wow, so this one is an aloe vera aftershave balm, but very similar to the scent of the soap as well as the pre-shave oil. I like the fact they go around the same theme, which is great. Okay, so the shaving gel smells a little different as compared to the other products. The good part about the shaving gel, guys, is this one's more like a transparent clear kind of gel. So if you're looking at sort of edging the beard line while not getting a complete shave, I would probably look at one of these because they're really good. You can pretty much get a full shave with it as well if you'd like to, but being more like a shaving gel, it's more of a clear gel that doesn't foam up a lot. Really good for styling. I like it. Even when you look at the razors, they've got a very similar kind of theme, similar kind of color to it, even though they're completely two different systems for shaving. So obviously I will be doing a review on the Pegasus Razor as well as the Bad Bones double-edge shaving razor, and I will see you with one of these soon. Okay, this smells really amazing and I can't wait to try it. Wow. While I keep sniffing this one, I'll get you to go check their website. So the website's on the screen. It's badbonesbarbershop.com, or you could also go to saveonshave.com. Now, as usual, guys, this is an honest review. This is not a paid review. I'm not getting paid a cent to try this or, either promote it. Personally, if it's a good product, for me, it's a company that gives back to the community and it's a local company. I would definitely like to promote a company that's got good products and good values. This company sits there, so go check their websites, and if you want to buy something from their websites, you can use my promo code. And yes, there is a 15% discount promo code just for you guys, my subscribers. So all you need to do is quickly hit that subscribe button, and then when you go to their websites, you can shop off the website and use the code ALLYDZ, ALLYDZ, and get 15% off your purchase. So that's it from me today, folks, and you will be seeing me soon with a shave review on the Save on Shave Pegasus Razor, as well as the other Bad Bones Barbershop range of products. I will see you next time. Till then, stay safe and have fun.